Yup. Yep. So today we're talking about this Beatle who recently compete in Malaysia EMA and hit 1, hit 2, nothing home, but hit 3. I mean in the finals he brought something home, 3rd placing. So yeah, this is also something special. I think everyone wants to see this car behind. Come. Simple setup, but something special. Come. Okay, so here we go. What we have? Another Infinite Baffle. Whoa! 18-inch Audison Forza. Another one here. Oh, that's all. Nothing much. Simple. Just like that. Neat and clean. So there's a cover. You still can use your boot. Still got a big boot space for you. Everything here. And that's all. Come, we go in front and see what he has some more. Okay, so we're in front. What we have here is a K2M. The new one. Ooh, nice. Come. So mid bass here. There's another sub there. Yep, there's a front sub. I think it's a 12-inch. Yep. Then of course he used a fuel for his player. Yeah, come, let me go to the driver's seat to share with you more on this K2M. Okay, so we are in the front now. So now we see the back already. So now we come to the front. Yes, this the K2M. Alright, so this is the K2M 3-way with the front stop and the 18-inch behind. Infinite Baffle 18-inch. Oops, there's some music. Let me softer it first. Okay, so this one, this is nothing, just for display. So let me talk a bit about history about this car. Initially, I think you see in Facebook that this car, the mid bass in front, and the mid range here. There's a lot of changes in this car. So QQQ took this car, I think easily 2 years to build, I think. So finally completed, and I think went in for EMA and didn't do well, but it came back in 2024 finals and managed to secure a 3rd place, and I think you'll see him more in 2025. Yep. So come, let me give you some sound sampling of this car. So as usual, Hungry Bird, let's go. Volume up.